In this video, we are going to talk about Central Luzon, the number of provinces that comprises Central Luzon, the cities, and municipalities for each province. Central Luzon, officially designated as Region 3, is an administrative region in the Philippines occupying the central section of Luzon. It covers 7 provinces, namely Aurora, Bataan, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Tarlac, and Zambales, as well as 2 highly urbanized cities. The regional center is the city of San Fernando. So there are 7 provinces, 14 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,102 barangays. Central Luzon is bordered clockwise from the north by the Ilocos region, Cagayan Valley, Philippine Sea, Calabarzon, National Capital Region, Manila Bay, and the South China Sea. The following are the provinces, cities, and municipalities comprising Central Luzon. The province of Aurora with 0 cities, 8 municipalities, and 151 barangays. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the municipality of Baler. For the province of Bataan, there is 1 city, 11 municipalities, and 237 barangays. The provincial center is the city of Balanga. For the province of Bulacan, there are 3 cities, 21 municipalities, and 569 barangays. The provincial center is the city of Malolos. For the province of Nueva Ecija, there are 5 cities, 27 municipalities, and 849 barangays. The provincial center is the city of Palayan. The province of Pampanga is composed of 2 cities, 19 municipalities, and 505 barangays. The provincial center is the city of San Fernando. For the province of Tarlac, there is 1 city, that's Tarlac City. There are 17 municipalities and 511 barangays. The provincial center is the city of Tarlac. For the province of Zambales, there is 0 city, 13 municipalities, and 230 barangays. The provincial center is the municipality of 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢. Once again, for Region 3 or Central Luzon, it is a part of the Luzon Island Group composed of 7 provinces, 14 cities, 116 municipalities, and 3,102 barangays. The regional center is the city of San Fernando in the province of Pampanga. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.